Today, we continue with the course, Automotive Assembly and Adjustment Technology. Project 2, Section 2, Hands-on Automotive Training for Instrument Cluster Subassembly and Adjustment. Follow assembly standards and specifications during practical training. Wear protective equipment properly. Enhance self-protection awareness. And develop 7S work habits. In the instrument subassembly section, the following positions are prone to scratching accidents. When others violate regulations, we must also advise and stop them, such as when handling instrument skeletons, installing wiring harnesses, steering columns, airbags, etc. Additionally, airbag installation has strict safety requirements, so it requires special attention. It cannot be stored in high-temperature environments. Avoid static electricity during operation. Do not strike the airbag. Electric guns are frequently used during assembly. When the electric gun rotates, you must not grasp the gun head with your hand. Before using the instrument subassembly flipping fixture, first ensure it operates properly. When flipping the fixture, avoid damaging the instrument panel surface. When using transfer equipment, you must avoid scratching body panels, paint, and damaging door seals. Main quality control points for instrument subassembly. 1. Instrument skeleton, welded part. Check for deformation and rust. Otherwise, it will cause poor assembly with other parts and reduced strength, creating safety hazards. 2. Before installing instrument wiring harness, automobile info and harness part numbers on configuration sheet must be carefully verified. If incorrectly assembled, this will cause extensive rework and damage. 3. Air conditioning assembly is mainly plastic, and before installation, visible damage should be carefully inspected. If damage is found, isolate promptly to avoid causing poor sealing, insufficient airflow and temperature in reassembly. 4. Airbag installation personnel must be certified. Discharge static electricity before operation to avoid accidental triggering and airbag deployment. 5. Instrument skin is an exterior component, therefore appearance inspection before installation is crucial. There must be no bumps or scratches. Collision with sheet metal parts should also be avoided during installation. 6. Steering column is critical to automotive steering system. It affects driving safety. Therefore, before installation, you must carefully check for deformation and rust. Please see the standard operation card for workstation MA05. There are 32 steps in total. Main operation is steering column installation and fastening. When installing steering column, follow the methods and precautions in the operation method card. Avoid dropping and causing injuries during assembly. It is strictly prohibited to open locked handle. Other key steps, please learn them independently. Please watch the video steering column and harness installation after class for more details. Before practical operations at typical instrument subassembly workstations, first group and assign tasks as shown in the table. Then conduct training according to previous process steps on real automobile and fixtures, and fill out implementation record form as required. After operation completion, we should evaluate skills and quality aspects during task implementation, based on inspection items in table. Conduct self-inspection within groups and mutual evaluation between groups. Finally, based on your own operation process, participate in group discussions. Analyze and summarize this task, and complete online assignments and post-class video tasks. This concludes today's main learning content. Thank you for watching.